We are at Omron Automation India, and with us is the Managing Director, Mr. Samir Gandhi. Welcome to Automation Expo 2023. Mr. Gandhi, can you briefly explain the concept of Industry 4.0 and how it relates to automation?
Oh, okay. I think Industry 4.0 has different meanings for different industries. But from a manufacturing standpoint, it's all about data handling and data management. Of course, first of all, we need to look at data generation. And currently, just to give you an example, I mean, if you look at sensors today, so they are perhaps looking at, absence, presence, a very, very simple example. But now we are also trying to build intelligence into the sensor. So the sensor tells us about itself, its own health, and it's also the ambient environment around it. And so we are able to then build predictive functions around that. But the important thing there is, how do you pick up this data and how do you utilize it? And so unfortunately, on a shop floor today, you have islands of information because you have different machines, and each machine has its own kind of control systems, maybe from different suppliers, and they're all functioning within that machine operators. But how do you pick up the data from one machine, another machine, and make a cohesive picture, which is all about the shop floor, which is giving you a picture about the shop floor. So the idea is we need to kind of bridge these islands, and that's what Industry 4.0 is. That's another aspect for Industry 4.0.
What are Omron's product offerings?
Oh, Omron is a very wide product basket. So we love to call it as ILORS. So we have the input side where we have a lot of sensors, vision systems, in inspection machines, optical inspection machines. We have the logic, so where we have the PLCs, micro, mini, and large, the entire range. We have the output, so that's the servo drives, the servo motors, and all the other such devices. Then we have robots. So we have got the entire range of robots, which is fixed, mobile. We have cobots, we have articulated, we have delta, and safety. So when we say safety, we have the range includes safety PLCs, safety light curtains, the entire works. So another way to look at Omron's range is it's relay to robot. But it's not just about the products, because as Omron, we don't want to just sell products. We are here to look at or understand the customer's challenges and then provide solutions to those products or to that challenge. And so one of the ways that we are doing this is by introducing our iBelt. And an iBelt is actually a hardware plus software plus engineering solution. So that's the range.
So you explained about Industry 4.0. I also would like to know on Omron's highly coordinated control. Can you share a brief?
When we talk about the highly coordinated control, essentially what we are talking about is, let me take you back to the principle or the philosophy behind the automation business for us. And it's centered around 3 I's. So we are talking about integrative, interactive, and intelligent. So what we are saying is, intelligent is intelligence on the edge. That means the edge device have intelligence. They're interactive. All the devices must interact with each other. And of course, they are integrated because they need to work together as one unit and also be able to work with humans. So that's the coordinated control that we talk about, because all our devices are on one platform. All our control systems are on the SysMac platform, for example. So we are able to really take the most out of all the devices that are on this platform and bring a cohesive approach to the shop floor.
How often do you approach a troubleshooting problem in an automated system?
Well, I think that's a very tough question, because it's really difficult to get that kind of a data. Issues happen. I think the point is not about how often it is. And the question is how quickly they can be resolved, how quickly we can identify the problems and then take action against them. So, and usually it may not be Omron itself who's going to take action. The action is perhaps going to be taken by the people on the shop floor. So it's all about empowering them. And also to reduce it. And to reduce it, we can look at predictive maintenance options and solutions. So again, as Omron, we have some products in that lineup. We can look at predictive maintenance solutions for motors, for example, or for panels. So we can do predictive maintenance for machines. So we have solutions to come up with that kind of a thing.
Which industries does Omron cater to?
Omron primarily caters to the automotive industry, the food and commodity industry, including medical and pharmaceuticals, the logistics industries, which is basically the warehouse, and the infrastructure industry is what we really cater to. So these are some of the key core industries that we cater to. Essentially, we cater to all discrete automation manufacturing.
Omron at Automation 2023. What do you look forward to during this expo?
We really look forward to igniting new ideas, new innovations within our customer fraternity, our existing customers as well as our potential customers. There is a great opportunity to kind of display the solutions that we have, and we really hope that it generates some new energy within our customers from here.
That was Mr. Samir Gandhi, MD Omron Automation India. We wish you all the best at Automation Expo 2023.